Joe, is that your nativity play?
I'll be honest with you, Jimmy, there's been a couple of fuck-ups. I'm not interested.
So, Joe, what have you been up to?
Oh, well, since you fired me, you prick, I have got myself a new job. As you can see, I now coach a synchronised swimming team.
Is there any chance you could show us one of the routines?
Fine, yeah, all right, go on. I'll let you get.
Are you here for Rob?
There's a bonus prize this round. You can win an owl. You get a 9. You get to smash an owl.
If we get a 9.
Made of shells.
Of course it's made of shells. It's the only way to make them.
9!
Yeah!
9! Yes, they've won an owl!
I don't want to give it away, if I'm honest.
OK, they've not won an owl.
Unlucky it was a 6. Sorry, guys. All I've got to do now is teach them to swim.
What have you been up to, Joe?
I was fired at the end of the last series, which is bullshit. So I've had quite a lot of spare time on my hands, so as you can see, I've been cloning myself. Done about 200 of them, and they're all, I'll be honest with you, they're all pretty shit. I can't quite get it right. They all go a bit wrong, like, I like this one, but unfortunately, he's got 11 nipples. This one, I like, it's too tall. I don't know why I hear that, just my dad. Told you to stay in the van, ridiculous. I like this one, this is one of my favourites, but unfortunately, when he tries to talk, the only noise that comes out is a foghorn. I've been attempting quite a few world records, and it's going bloody well, actually. Like, for example, I currently hold the world record for the person dressed as a toothbrush for the longest. Let's do it, mate. I'm going to attempt to eat Sunday lunch with the world's longest knife and fork. What a fucking place to put it, you prick. Borderline impossible, mate.
How have you been, Joe?
Oh, hello, Jimmy. Yeah, all right. How have I been? Shit, mate. You know, they fired me last series, didn't you, you prick? And I found it quite upsetting. So much so that I ran away to the circus.
How's it going at the circus, Joe?
It's all right. I mainly pick up elephant shit. No one asked me to, I just find it very relaxing. So what I'm going to do, Jimmy, is going to light these and then I'm going to juggle them. I'm a bit nervous because I've never juggled before. Does anyone mind if I watch Taggart? Oh, God. Got a stitch. I thought it'd be nice if we went for the world record of longest countdown word. What are you thinking? Can only be 9. Not anymore! Whoop!
N. One more vowel?
Yeah!
Do you want me to...
No, I don't. No, I don't. No, not now, Nick. No.
Do you want to try and pull you down?
I'll just have me packed lunch. Okay.
A.
Zah. I bought some half-time oranges for a bit of energy. Oh, I couldn't get oranges, so I've just done a couple of pork chops. Don't know why I fucking bother. I'll be honest with you, Jimmy. I'm in a bit of a bad mood. Get a bit pissed off, and this is what happens. Don't don't know why it happens, but it always does. I drink quite a lot of radioactive waste.
So, why are you in a bad mood?
You taking a piss? Fucking hell, mate. I'm in a bad mood because you fired me. That's why I ripped the door off your car.
Joe, you can't smoke on television.
Oh, fuck.
Did you just inhale bubbles?
N.
Ages!
Vowel, please.
Let's just do 4.
E.
Do you want a quick glass of wine, Rachel? Yeah, go on then. Sorry, I don't have my own strength. There's none in that one. I'll be honest with you, I've struggled to get work. And the only job the job centre could get me in was on a show called The Only Way is Essex.
OK, so you're on Towie, but
Yeah.
why are you dressed like that?
You winding me up?
I'm just asking.
Well, it's because if you're going to go on The Only Way is Essex, you have to be glamorous, and what's more glamorous than a mermaid? I'll tell you what, Jimmy, just while we're here, while we've got the cameras, do you mind if I quickly film a scene for one of the episodes? Do you mind?
Yeah, I do mind, yeah.
Brilliant. Can we, this bit here, can we make it into like a tasteful Essex wine bar? I think we should split up.
You bastard.
I'm sorry, but the sex is dog shit.
Are you mugging me off? Give me a chair now. I don't know who you think you're talking to. You absolute mug. You're taking the piss out of me. I don't know who you think you are. Right? And you know what? I hope you get diarrhea, you prick.
I said one! Been a bit of a weird week. Basically what happened was, found a magic lantern, gave it a rub, and a genie popped out. Turned out to be a nice fella. So we got chatting, and I explained that you'd fired me because you're an anus. And so he offered me a job, so I'm a part-time genie now. Fuck it. You're a tit! That was meant to happen when we came out, you bellend.
Can I ask why Fabio looks like that?
He's got a head of a lizard, because that's what he wished for.
And a vowel, please.
I'll do the vowels.
OK.
And another consonant, please.
Just landed.
Are you going to help for old time's sake? Or
Nope.
Nope. Not for old time's sake?
Got to practice my acrobatics.
Is that acrobatics?
That's...
Well, it's in the Olympics.
I think that's rhythm gymnastics.
Whatever.
Jesus.
My bad. Sorry. Sorry, that's my fault. Sorry, I forgot to mention one of my other wishes. I forgot to mention that one of my other wishes was for the former snooker world champion Dennis Taylor to come on the show and feed me toffees.
I'm good, how are you?
What's that?
Oh, I'm taking communion.
This is like the weirdest Catholic service ever.
Thank you, Dennis. Nice to meet you. How are you doing? All right. Absolutely serious here. How are you doing? You all right?
Hi. Hello.
Again. How are you?
Right, vowel, please.
If this vowel is a G, you've got egg.
You did a really good job last time. Do you want to do this one as well?
Do you want me to paint your nails, Joe? I've got some varnish here. I'll paint your nails. That's better, isn't it? Yeah?
Yeah, if you like.
It's pink as well, my favourite colour.
What's going on, Joe?
Tell you what's going on, Jimmy, is you fired me. So make a bit of cash, done a bit of a deal, got a sponsor for the show. Show is now sponsored by a banister company. It's actually my half-brother Fabio's company. It's called Fabio's Banisters. You've got a fucking erection in it, you idiot! I said don't have an erection!
I said don't have an erection.